All right, everybody, welcome back. We're diving deep today, really deep.
Deep.
Yeah, into the world of Swiss software.
Okay.
And, everybody's talking about AI these days.
Yeah.
And we wanted to see how are the Swiss handling it.
Right.
So we cracked open the 2024 SSIS report.
Huh.
And there's some interesting tidbits in there.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, they're adopting AI, but maybe not as strategically as you might think.
Interesting.
So we're going to unpack that today.
Okay, sounds good.
So first things first,
Yeah.
the Swiss software industry, it's doing pretty well.
It is, yeah.
Overall, they're growing, they're making money, but there is a little bit of maybe a tempered optimism.
Right, for the exuberance of previous years.
Exactly, yeah.
Yeah.
So still doing their thing, like consulting, custom software.
Yeah, bread and butter.
SaaS, all that, and still mainly focused on the Swiss market.
Right, domestically focused,
Yeah.
for sure.
Now, one thing that jumped out at me is how much they're still sourcing and outsourcing.
Yes.
I mean, 70% of companies,
70%, that's a huge number.
I know, are working with others on AI projects.
Right.
So even though they're selling in Switzerland,
Yeah.
they're developing all over.
Globally, yeah.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Okay.
Let's talk about the AI.
Let's talk about the AI adoption, right?
Yeah.
So they are using it.
They are, yes.
Especially in software development and maintenance.
Yeah, keeping those systems running.
Right, exactly.
Yeah.
But here's the thing. It's not across the board.
No, it's kind of
uneven, you could say.
Yeah, like they're using it for these specific things.
Exactly.
But when it comes to design, testing, even analysis of what they're doing,
Yeah, those are lagging behind.
it's lagging behind, yeah. So it's almost like they're using this great tool,
Yeah.
but not for everything it can do.
Right. They haven't figured out all the features yet.
Exactly.
And, everyone's talking about ChatGPT.
Oh, yeah.
And the report even mentions like a ChatGPT effect.
Really?
Yeah. So everyone's jumping on board.
Makes sense. It's so accessible.
Right. But is that always a good thing?
Well, that's the question, isn't it?
Yeah.
The report found that, in the last year and a half especially,
Yeah.
the use of AI has just skyrocketed.
Oh, wow.
And it's largely because of these easily accessible tools.
Like ChatGPT, yeah.
Exactly. It's democratized AI. But
there's a but. The report talks about governance.
Oh, right.
And it seems like, they're relying on these sort of informal approaches.
Informal, so like...
Yeah, training, talking to each other.
Okay.
But is that really enough?
Well, the report raises a really good point there.
Yeah.
Training is great.
Uh-huh.
Don't get me wrong.
Right.
But you need more. You
Yeah.
need like frameworks, strategies for AI governance. To make sure it's being used responsibly.
Responsibly, ethically.
Yeah. Think about data privacy, algorithmic bias.
Right. Big issues.
Huge issues.
Yeah.
And these need to be addressed.
Absolutely.
Yeah,
So they're eager,
they are.
but maybe skipping some steps.
A little bit, yeah.
And it seems like the main reason for all this AI adoption is
Efficiency.
efficiency.
Yeah.
Like that's the big driver.
They want to do things faster, better, cheaper.
Right. Which on a surface
Yeah.
sounds great.
Sounds amazing.
Who doesn't want that?
Exactly.
But is that enough?
Well, the report calls it an efficiency trap.
Oh, a trap.
Yeah, they might be so focused on making things efficient that they miss the bigger picture.
The bigger picture, like what?
Like innovation.
Oh.
Using AI to really come up with the new ideas,
Right.
new strategies, long-term thinking.
Long term, not just the immediate.
Exactly. It's like,
Yeah.
using a GPS to just find the closest gas station.
Exactly.
Sure, it gets you there.
Yeah.
But you might miss some amazing scenery along the way.
Right. You're not exploring.
Exactly.
You're just going point A to point B.
Point A to point B, yeah.
Okay, so now let's look at this from the vendor's perspective.
Okay, the people making the software.
Yeah, and the report makes it very clear
Yeah.
AI is not optional anymore.
It's a must-have.
It's a must-have
Wow.
if you want to stay competitive.
Right, because
need to
it can
shut that
do
down.
so much for them.
Yeah. It
Faster development, lower costs,
Uh-huh.
better user experience.
Everyone wants that.
Yeah, who wouldn't?
And the report actually gives some specific examples.
Oh, yeah, like what?
Like how AI can help.
Yeah.
So they're talking about code generation. So AI can actually help write code.
Wow, that's pretty advanced.
Yeah, and then automating testing.
Oh, that's going to save a lot of time.
Right. And then creating those personalized user experiences.
Right, so it's tailored to each user.
Exactly.
Interesting.
And then even chatbots, for customer support.
Oh, yeah, those are everywhere now.
I know. And then streamlining all those processes behind the scenes.
So it's not just the flashy stuff.
No, It's making everything smoother.
Yeah, making the whole system work better.
Yeah, it's like having I don't know, a super-powered virtual assistant.
Yeah, that's a good way to put it.
Yeah.
So basically, the report's saying vendors who use AI strategically, they're going to have a big advantage.
Get big advantage.
Yeah, they're going to be the ones who come out on top.
Right. The ones who are left behind
Yeah.
are the ones who are stuck in that efficiency mindset.
Just thinking about the day-to-day.
Exactly. So big picture.
Yeah.
Swiss software industry.
Yeah.
They're at a crossroads.
Crossroads. Interesting.
Yeah. Embracing AI.
Good.
But why?
That's the question.
That's the question.
Yeah.
So for everyone listening, I want you to think about this.
Okay.
If efficiency is all they're focused on,
yeah,
what are we missing?
What could they be doing with AI?
Right. What's out there?
Just below the surface.
Yeah, that we haven't even thought of yet.
That could change everything.
Exactly.
It's exciting to think about.
It is.
Yeah.
All right, well, that's our deep dive for today.
Great deep dive.
Thanks for joining us.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
And we'll see you next time.
See you later.